Want to make money writing but don't know where to begin? In this video, I'm going to share 5 ways that you can make money writing online. And unlike other videos, I'm going to tell you the positives and negatives about each method, so you can make the decision about which method is right for you. So let's get started with the first method, freelance copywriting. Freelance copywriting is the art of writing persuasive content that sells. And businesses often hire freelance copywriters to create compelling copy that promotes their products and services online. I started freelance copywriting back in 2004, and I have to say I've never looked back. I feel it's the perfect career path for people who love the freedom and flexibility of working from any location, choosing their own hours, and charging anywhere between $50 all the way up to $150 per hour. However, it's not all sunshines and rainbows. There are downsides to freelance copywriting as well. And the biggest one is the lack of steady income and clients. Some months you might have lots of clients and lots of income, and other months none at all. And that's just a reality of freelance copywriting. So it's important to spend your time marketing your writing services to ensure that you have enough money coming in. And I always recommend that new writers spend at least an hour a day promoting themselves online so they always have those clients available. Now, you don't need any special qualifications to get started as a freelance copywriter, but you do need to learn about the business side of freelancing. So you might consider checking out my Freelance Writer Blueprint course. And this is where I offer guidance and also coaching to beginner writers. You can find a link and all the details in the description below the video. Now let's talk about another writing opportunity that offers a steady salary. And method number 2 is remote writing jobs. So the pandemic in 2020 sparked a surge in remote writing jobs. Companies now hire writers for various tasks like blog posts, website content, and newsletters, offering both part-time or full-time remote positions. And unlike freelancing, the benefits of a remote job include a regular paycheck, employee benefits, and the social side of working in a team environment, making it the ideal position for those who prefer stability and also routine. The downside is less flexibility, having a boss, and also in choosing the topics and your working hours. But the best part is that you can get started right away by exploring platforms like Indeed.com and also LinkedIn.com/jobs, where remote writing jobs are posted every single day. Now, method number 3 is to start a blog. And blogging about your passions, whether it's finance, travel, fashion, or even technology, can be a rewarding way to earn money online. And that's because bloggers monetize their content through affiliate marketing, brand partnerships, and sponsorships. The potential for passive income, building a large audience, and creative control are some of the reasons why people are drawn to blogging. However, there are some obvious downsides as well. Some blogging niches, like health and travel, are overly saturated and super competitive. Not only that, you also need to understand SEO best practices, which are changing all the time. And climbing to the first page of Google can take a long time and a consistent posting schedule. Having said all of that, getting started with blogging is pretty straightforward and easy. All you need is a domain name and a free WordPress theme, and you're ready to get started. Moving on to method number 4 is to submit articles online. Writing and submitting articles to online publications can be a great way to gain exposure and earn money from your words. Platforms like Medium.com, The Huffington Post, and Wired offered opportunities for writers to publish their work and get paid from doing so. Now, some of the obvious benefits include having your articles read by hundreds of thousands or even millions of people, and having your articles shown in these well-known websites or publications. But the challenges are clear. Like, it's very competitive. They have very high quality standards, and the income is variable depending on the platform and the rates that they're offering. But the best way to get started is to research those online publications. Make sure that the ones that align with your writing style, that you want to be able to pitch your unique story ideas to them, and keep going if you don't hear back from them immediately. Follow them up. Now, let's move on to one of the most lucrative ways to make money writing online, and that's method number 5, ghostwriting for personal brands and companies. So ghostwriting involves writing content anonymously for others, such as books, email newsletters, or even Twitter threads. It requires skill in matching the tone and style of the client. Many ghostwriters earn a decent salary, with book projects fetching between $20,000 to $80,000 and social media content creation from $3,000 to $5,000 monthly. Now, the main drawback is the lack of public credit for your work and the need for adaptability in writing styles. You always need to make sure you sound like the client in your writing. But the best way to get started is to develop your writing skills, build a portfolio, and of course, pitch your services to potential clients just like you would with any type of freelance writing. Now, if you enjoyed this video, then you might enjoy this video where I share 10 websites that pay freelance writers $200 to $1,600 per article. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.